Attention, fellow content creators. Are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? We all know that finding the ideal camera is crucial for creating captivating YouTube videos. But with so many options available, the question becomes, which one will truly ignite your creativity and deliver stunning results? Today, we'll explore 3 contenders that have captured the attention of YouTubers worldwide, and we will uncover the perfect camera for your creative vision. So brace yourself as we unravel the mysteries and explore the hidden gems in the world of camera options for YouTubers. 1. GoPro. Let's start with the GoPro. This little action camera has become a favorite among content creators. It's compact, rugged, and captures stunning high-definition footage. Whether you're vlogging, filming extreme sports, or documenting your adventures, the GoPro can handle it all. One of the biggest advantages of the GoPro is its versatility. It comes with a wide range of accessories that allow you to mount it on almost anything, your helmet, bike, or even a selfie stick. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can take it underwater without any worries. Talk about capturing epic shots. GoPro also excels in its image stabilization capabilities. It smooths out those shaky moments, making your footage look professional and polished. And with its wide-angle lens, you can easily capture more of the action and create an immersive experience for your viewers. 2. iPhone. Now let's switch gears and talk about an everyday device that many of us already have. The iPhone. You might be surprised to know that iPhones are capable of producing high-quality videos that rival some dedicated cameras. The latest models like the iPhone 13 have impressive camera systems built in. The iPhone offers convenience like no other camera. You always have it with you, it's easy to operate, and the video quality is outstanding. Plus, with the App Store, you have access to a wide range of video editing apps that can take your content to the next level. One noteworthy feature of the iPhone is its advanced computational photography. It can automatically adjust exposure and focus, and even enhance colors, giving your videos that professional touch. And let's not forget about the portrait mode, which can add a beautiful depth of field effect to your shots. 3. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. Now let's talk about the heavy hitters, the DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. These cameras are the go-to choice for many professional YouTubers and filmmakers. They offer unmatched image quality, manual control, and the ability to interchange lenses for different shooting scenarios. In the world of DSLRs, the Canon EOS 980 and the Nikon D7500 are popular choices. They deliver exceptional image quality, fast autofocus, and a range of lenses to suit your creative vision. If you prefer mirrorless cameras, the Sony Alpha A10, A10 IE, and the Fujifilm X-T4 are highly regarded for their outstanding video capabilities and versatility. While DSLRs and mirrorless cameras may have a steeper learning curve, they provide you with the ultimate creative control over your videos. You can experiment with different lenses, adjust settings to your liking, and achieve that cinematic look that sets your content apart. 4. Compact cameras. Now let's shift gears and talk about compact cameras. These little powerhouses may not have the interchangeable lens capability of their larger counterparts, but they make up for it with portability and convenience. If you're always on the go or prefer a compact setup, these cameras are worth considering. Leading the pack in the compact camera category is the Sony Rx100 VII. This pocket-sized marvel packs a punch with its 4K video capabilities, impressive autofocus, and a wide range of shooting modes. It's an excellent choice for vloggers who prioritize portability without compromising on quality. Another noteworthy option is the Canon Powershot G7X Mark EII. This camera is a favorite among YouTubers for its flip-up screen, fast autofocus, and excellent image stabilization. It's a trusted companion for creators looking to capture smooth, high-quality videos while on the move. 5. Action cameras and smartphones. Last but not least, let's talk about action cameras and smartphones, the everyday devices that many of us already have in our pockets. These options are perfect for casual vloggers, beginners, or those who want to capture moments on the fly without investing heavily in specialized gear. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is the undisputed king of action cameras. With its rugged build, waterproof design, and exceptional image stabilization, it's the go-to choice for adventures and extreme sports enthusiasts. The Hero 10 Black delivers stunning 5.3 video and boasts advanced features like Hypersmooth 4.0 for buttery smooth footage. But wait, what about smartphones? Well, my friends, smartphones have come a long way in terms of video capabilities. The latest flagship models like the iPhone 13 Pro and Samsung Galaxy 21 Ultra offer impressive video quality, advanced image processing, and a host of creative features. They're perfect for capturing daily vlogs, lifestyle content, or quick videos on the go. So my friend, Whether you go with the GoPro, stick to your trusty iPhone, or dive into the world of DSLR mirrorless cameras, the most important thing is to start creating content and sharing your passion with the world. Don't get too caught up in the gear. Remember, it's your creativity, storytelling, and connection with your audience that truly matters. When deciding on the best camera for your YouTube channel, there are several factors to consider. Here are some key deciding factors for the GoPro: iPhone, DSLR mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, and action cameras, smartphones. Purpose and content style: GoPro ideal for adventure, sports, and an action-packed content. Offers ruggedness, waterproof capabilities, and wide-angle perspectives. iPhone, versatile for various content styles, including vlogs, lifestyle, and everyday videos. Offers convenience, advanced computational photography, and access to video editing apps. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras provides ultimate creative control, cinematic look, and interchangeable lenses. Suitable for professional level productions and diverse content styles. Compact cameras balances portability and quality. Great for vloggers on the go who want a compact setup without sacrificing video capabilities. Action camera smartphones suitable for casual vloggers, beginners, and capturing spontaneous moments. Action cameras are durable, waterproof, and excel in extreme conditions, while smartphones offer convenience and impressive video quality. Budget: GoPro offers various models at different price points, allowing you to choose based on your budget and required features. iPhone: this can be a cost-effective option if you already own one. Prices vary based on the model, with newer models generally offering better video capabilities. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras generally more expensive, especially when factoring in lenses and accessories. However, they provide professional level quality and flexibility. Compact cameras offer a range of prices depending on features and specifications. Can be a more budget-friendly option compared to DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. Action cameras, smartphones. Action cameras have a wide price range, while smartphones can be a cost-effective choice if you already own a capable device. 3. Video quality and features. GoPro offers high-definition video quality, wide-angle perspectives, excellent image stabilization, and waterproof capabilities. Some models provide advanced features like hyper-smooth stabilization and 4K video. iPhone provides impressive video quality, advanced computational photography, automatic adjustments, and access to a wide range of video editing apps. Newer models offer better video capabilities, such as 4K, improved low-light performance. DSLRs and mirrorless cameras deliver exceptional image quality, manual control over settings, and the ability to interchange lenses. Offer features like 4K video, advanced autofocus, and customizable settings. Compact cameras offer good video quality, compact size, and a range of shooting modes. Some models provide features like 4K video, fast autofocus, and image stabilization. Action camera smartphones. Action cameras excel in capturing action-packed footage with waterproof capabilities and image stabilization. Smartphones offer impressive video quality, advanced image processing, and creative features like portrait mode and slow motion. Consider these factors based on your specific needs, preferences, and budget to determine the best camera for your YouTube channel. Remember, the camera is just a tool, and the content you create and the stories you tell are what truly matter. I hope this breakdown of the GoPro, iPhone, and DSLR-less, mirrorless, etc. has helped you gain some clarity on which camera might be the best fit for your YouTube channel. Each option has its own strengths and advantages, so it's important to consider your budget, purpose, and ease of use when making your decision. The camera is just a tool. What matters most is the content and stories you create, so go out there, experiment, and let your creativity shine. Choose a camera that helps bring your vision to life, whether you're capturing sports, sharing your daily life, or making films. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments. Now, grab your camera and start creating amazing content for YouTube. Good luck and happy filming!